how to enable or disable Bluetooth LE audio hardware offload on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down to and click on Developer option. After click on Developer option, scroll down and search Bluetooth LE audio hardware allowed from here. For example, this is Bluetooth LE audio hardware allowed. So if you want to enable Bluetooth LE audio hardware allowed, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Bluetooth LE audio hardware allowed is enabled. If you want to disable Bluetooth LE audio hardware allowed, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Bluetooth LE audio hardware allowed is disabled. You will enable or disable Bluetooth LE audio hardware allowed from developer option. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Bluetooth LE audio hardware of loud on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.